Hello, in this video I'm going to show how to use the Microsoft Photos app to edit videos. Go to the Start menu and select Photos. You want to look for the Video Editor tab, and you might need to expand this to see the Video Editor tab. Now if you don't see the Video Editor tab, normally if you go to the Microsoft Store and update the app, it'll normally fix it so that you will see the Video Editor tab. I'm going to show what version I'm using under Settings. I'm using Microsoft Photos 2021.21070.22007.0. So if anything on yours looks different than mine, you might be using a different version. To create a new project, go to Video Editor and select New Video Project. And you can name it whatever you want. I'm just going to name mine Test. To add video, go to the plus add button, and I normally add from my PC, so I select from this PC and just click on the video you want to add and select open, and then you select place in storyboard and it will put it down here, and I'll add a couple more so you can see how it works. You can arrange the videos in any order you want just by dragging them to the position that you want them in. To add text, select the video that you want to add the text to and select text. Then enter the text and then select the text style from this list. I'll select cartoon and then select the layout that you want and then select done. And you can add text to each of the video clips if you want to. To trim a video, select the video, select trim, and you can trim the front of the video or the back and select done. To split a video, select the video that you want to split and select split. Then move this to the position where you want to split it and select done. To add background music, select the video where you want the music to start playing, and you can select background music. This is music provided by Microsoft. I don't usually use these songs because some of these songs got a copyright violation on YouTube. So I normally select custom audio so I can select my own music files that I know won't have a copyright problem on YouTube. So select the add audio file and select your music file and open. And you can adjust the volume of the music. And I usually select fade out so the music will fade out at the end. And then select done. When you're done editing your video file, you select Finish Video and Export. This will ask you where you want to put your video file, and then you press Export. When it's done exporting your video file, it'll have this pop-up that lets you review your video to make sure that it's the way you want it.